Hello and welcome to the channel. You join me on a leisurely drive on my way to pick up the weekly shop, and I'll be able to give you a little tour of this place I call home, the town of Reading. So here on the outskirts we have Reading Football Club's home ground, Medeski Stadium, and an assortment of fast food restaurants out front. So this is one of the main roads into Reading. It's the A33. You'll see in a minute they're widening the road up ahead for what appears to be a bus lane. It's a lot of work just for one lane. They're having to put in these steel sections to support the bank. Most of the time they've got a lane closed as well, so there's traffic that backs all the way back up to the stadium. So that's the main shopping centre there, the Oracle. And along here is where a postal truck took a wrong turn and went straight through the barrier onto the road below. You can see the new barrier just here. Can you imagine just driving along and a 12-ton lorry just falls out of the sky? Luckily I don't think anyone was seriously hurt, but I bet that driver had something explaining to do. So this is pretty much the middle of Reading. This road runs around the outside of the town centre. You've got Blade Tower just over there. And up here is our very own Banksy piece. It's fenced off now to avoid anyone else spraying over it. Right, so we're close to the click and collect now. Time to pick up the weekly shop. I do hope we've got some Yazoo milkshakes. I am partial to a milkshake in the morning. So shopping's in, and even with the roof down, that's a full weekly shop in there. Anyone who says this car's impractical is lying. So we'll take a slightly different way back. We're just about to cross the river on Reading Bridge, and there's a Christchurch footbridge to the left of us. I think it costs about £6 million to make. It's quite impressive actually, especially that mast bit, although I can't see it from here, so I might just have to stick a picture up. There's a carnival in full swing too, signs of returning to normality. This is Caversham High Street, and we're going back over the Thames now on Caversham Bridge. It's nice to walk along the river here actually, feed the ducks and swans with your family. You know what, it's just nice to have the roof down on a day like today. It doesn't feel like a chore going to pick up your weekly shop. So this is the IDR, the inner distribution road. Apparently it caused a bit of controversy when it was built in the 60s, and even today it's deemed to be a blip on the town's infrastructure. I mean, it doesn't look great with its prefab walls. I imagine that this section took a huge amount of work to carve through the ground. But I mean, I think it works. The only time I've encountered standstill traffic is when the festival's on. And that's my little journey into town. I'm off to Somerset next week, so I'll probably have a more exciting video for you then. Until next time, hope you enjoyed the video, and thanks for watching.